Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset vlog. It is a beautiful Sunday and I'm in the mood to reset and clean. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you are somebody that loves to clean, loves to reset overall, then this video is for you. Stay tuned, continue watching, and let's do some cleaning. So in today's video, I will be doing some laundry, cooking, cleaning, and a whole bunch of organizing my cabinet and stuff like that. So just stay tuned guys, continue watching, and let's reset and do some cleaning. So here I am doing a quick meal prep, then I'm gonna jump right into cleaning and organizing my cabinet or cupboard. So it's been a minute since I haven't do a deep clean of my cupboard, so it's a mess and everything is really out of place. So I am in the mood today and I'm going to remove everything, clean all the shelves, and I'm going to replace everything and just reset. So yes guys, I really do enjoy cleaning and organizing. They say cleanliness is next to godliness. So whenever I'm doing my resetting on Sundays, it helps me to relax. It helps me to be calm, and I'm so excited just putting things in order and organizing my space, making myself comfortable and stuff like that. So I really do enjoy this type of resetting where everything is just in place. I'm a type of neat freak type of person, so this is really my hobby. Love to clean, love to cook, and stuff like that. So I am using a small amount of bleach with dishwashing soap to clean my cupboards, and also I'm using some lemon Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and these cupboards, they are coated with aluminum, making it easy to clean. Finally done organizing my cupboard, so now everything is neat and in order. Everything is into place, so now I am going to move on to my countertops. So for for those of you who watched my last Sunday reset vlog, you will know that I did a deep cleaning of my kitchen where I removed everything, cleaned my appliances and everything. So basically, I live with my significant other. There's no kids here, and whenever we use our kitchen, we normally clean up after. So I don't really need to do a deep cleaning every Sunday, but I do my resetting on Sunday where I clean my kitchen and do a cleaning overall of the place. So as you can see now, I'm here cleaning my stove, and I am going to show you a product. This is it, the Do Solve It. It's really good and it removes grease. And also this one, I bought it on Amazon, and normally I just spray it on the stove, leave it for roughly 15 minutes, then I clean it off, leaving everything spotless. So moving on to my pantry, I'm going to remove everything, clean the shelves, then organize. So for my pantry, I'm not going to use any bleach nor soap to clean, as it's not really of a mess. So I'm just using my lemon all-purpose cleaner to spray and wipe, and that's gonna be basically it, because there's not much mess in my pantry. So I took a little break to eat something. I'm just having some pineapples and some cantaloupe, and now I am back to organizing my pantry. this is it for my pantry. I finally done cleaning, packing and organizing. So now I am moving over to my appliances. So I always use Mr. Clean Freak to clean my appliances, as it leaves my stainless appliances looking so clean and shiny, and it have this nice fragrance. So yes, it is perfect to use in the kitchen, and I love using it. I love the smell. I just love using Mr. Clean Freak. So this is what I'm talking about. My stove is spotless, very shine and very clean. And I'm using my lemon scented all-purpose Lysol to clean my table. Done with my kitchen, so now I'm moving on to my laundry, and then I'm gonna move on to my room. Normally I would clean my room first and do my laundry, then I would move on to the bathroom, then I would go to the kitchen, but this Sunday I sort of switch it up a bit. So yeah. So now I'm done doing my laundry, and I'm folding and packing away my clothes. So yes guys, I'm finally done cleaning for most parts of the house. I am finally done. So now I'm moving on to cooking my Sunday dinner. So today I will be making some pineapple chicken with rice and peas, and I already prepped my vegetables. So let's go and do some cooking. And there's gonna be a full video on how to cook pineapple chicken, so y'all can go and watch that video. So I'm I'm using some vinegar and lemon to clean my chicken. I'm just gonna do a quick season and a quick cook. I sort of limit this video. Like I said, there's gonna be the full video on how to prepare the pineapple chicken. So let's just hurry and do some cooking. So this is how my chicken is looking. Once it is done seasoned, then I am going in with my chicken in the oven on 350 degrees for now for 45 minutes. So continue watching, guys, and yeah, this is it. Finally done cooking, finally eating my dinner. I am so tired, but I'm feeling happy knowing that my place is feeling clean, organized, and I'm just comfortable. So after everything, now I am cleaning my kitchen floor. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you reach this far in my video, please subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I will see you on my next